One of the biggest advantages of ghost pages is that they let you generate free traffic while staying completely under the radar. Unlike traditional websites that require domains, hosting, and months of SEO work, ghost pages use a hidden Google asset that Google itself already trusts. That means when you publish one, it blends in naturally with Google's ecosystem. This stealth approach is what makes ghost pages so powerful. Competitors can't see where your traffic is coming from, and Google has no reason to penalize you because you're not doing shady tricks or spammy backlinks. Instead, you're leveraging their own tools in a way that makes your content look more relevant. The key to staying invisible is simple. Keep your ghost pages focused on solving problems. Use keywords that match what people are searching for, and stack multiple pages in different niches. Each one quietly builds authority, sending traffic wherever you want, without drawing unwanted attention. The result? A stream of free targeted traffic that works for you 24/7 while you stay completely off the radar. If you're ready to learn how to set up ghost pages step by step, click the link in the description and start using this underground method today.